Whoa, yeah. I am the light, we shine as one. I am the blessing, already begun. 11:11, guidance coming through. I am aloha in all I do. Feel the rhythm in my chest like the island breeze. Guidance in the heartbeat, steady like the seas. Aloha in the air when the signs roll through. Every little moment saying life got you. 111 on the clock again. Dropping little blessing like a long lost friend. When the numbers flash, I feel my spirit move. Synchronistic timing with the reggae groove. And I am the light, we shine as one. I am the blessing, already begun. 11:11, guidance coming through. I am aloha in all I do. Mahalo for the days when the waves get rough. Mahalo for the strength to keep me standing up. Mahalo for the healing coming in so true. Every breath I take says you can break through. Spirit in the wind, talking low, talking kind. Aloha in my bones, in my heart, in my mind. Following the signs like the tide pulls through. Every little rhythm brings me back to truth. Walking with the sun, feet in the sand. Feeling all the freedom rising in my hands. I am the blessing coming into view. I am the aloha shining right on through. And I am the light, we shine at one. I am the blessing, already begun. 11:11, guidance coming through. I am aloha in all I do. Aloha in the beat, moving through my day. Guidance in the baseline, showing me the way. Messages appear in everything I do. Spirit singing softly, I walk with you. Thankful for the land, thankful for the sky. Thankful for the moments that help me rise. Thankful for the peace that I finally grew. Thankful for the signs that keep coming through. And I am the light, we shine as one. I am the blessing, already